you see the different spatial filters. So we have the kernels here. You see what I apply different kernels to my image. I'm using the same flower.jpg image, and I'm seeing what are the different. You're able to understand. So you are seeing the effect of both original image and the kernel. So initially you see I'm going to use H1. See the difference? How the filter kernel is changing my image. Now H1, I comma H2. I'm using the second kernel. And I think you can feel the difference. I think you are able to see it live, right? That is the importance of a live script. H3 is almost same, but I can see it is becoming sharp. This original image is blurred and this image is becoming sharp. H4. H4 is even more sharper. So ma'am told right on the day I am show pair. So this image is going to show the images in pair, input and output images in pair. Okay, it is going to you can visualize and see what is the difference. You can see the live difference immediately after doing the convolution. The same way here, the convolution, we have done the previous thing in time domain, right? So now the same thing it is being done in frequency domain. So you will get the same answer, frequency domain. Now last application of convolution and image processing is going to be template matching. So I have an image here and I'm going to see how many times this letter T is going to appear in my image. I'm going to see that. Okay, for that you see, I'm going to read the image first and I'm going to see what template I'm going to match. And what here I'm going to filter the image and look for T. And wherever I get this image T, I'll be counting it and displaying. That is the thing I'm going to do. I'll just run the code. This is the input image and the template to match is T. And how many times this T is coming in this text? Number of standing T's is 697. 697 times they are saying the T is there. Because you are going to give result comma. You have to give here IM filter of I comma. You have to give the template. What template I'm going to use. Okay. I comma template comma correlation. So when you use correlation, see what is the answer you will get. Number of T is 5. Is it correct? It is 5. See here, 1. I am using the small t. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even if it is rotated, it will still identify. So it says the number of T's is going to be 5. So if I do, instead of correlation, if I do convolution, it will give me the wrong answer. It will be 697. T, which is wrong. It is saying only 3. 3 means it is saying only 1, 2, 3. Only the horizontal one, it is not considering the vertical one. Okay, so when you use the correlation function, it will look for T in both the sides and give you the answer as 5. Okay, and last one, CNN. How to classify your image. The thing what we showed in the last thing, right? How to use the